Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. It's snowing in Vegas. It's even snowing in LA, I heard. And so we're going to make up the ultimate comfort food, chicken and corn soup. I just love it. You're going to love it. And the great thing is you can make this up in about 20 minutes. It's incredibly delicious. So let me walk you through it. Okay guys, first off I'm going to add 3 cups of chicken stock to a preheated pan, and this is kind of over medium-high heat, followed by 1 cup or 1 chicken breast that I've shredded up and boiled, or I can use pre-cooked chicken breast if you like. 1 cup of whole kernel corn, and we're just going to go ahead and bring this to a boil. After a boil, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons cornstarch, diluted in 3 tablespoons of water. And we'll give this a stir just until it thickens. In the meantime, we've got a little brat on the counter here. Little Coco. Don't you fall off. Once it's thickened, I'm going to kill the heat. Then we're going to salt and pepper to taste. And I like lots of pepper. Add in 1 beaten egg. And then we're just going to go ahead and stir this up. This looks and smells so good. Alright, we're going to go ahead and ladle this into a bowl to serve it up. Like I always say, guys, I wish we had smell-o-vision. It smells so good. Garnish it up with some green onions, just for that color effect, and a little bit more flavor. And there you have it, our 20-minute chicken and corn cream soup. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Guys, so good. It's rich, creamy, the chicken is tender. Love the corn. You gotta try this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. Recipes galore over there. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subbing, and see you next time.